calmer scene this morning as you're waking up at 5:16 and 55 degrees, which is also a little cooler than we've seen the end of last week to start the mornings.
It was mild and muggy last week.
Yeah.
This week, a noticeable change as you step out the door this morning because the humidity has really dropped off. So comfortable. Live City Cam sun is already up. Sunrise now at 5:11 in the morning. Temperature at 57 degrees here in Providence with winds out of the northwest at 8. Feels like 55, and the humidity again nice and comfortable at about 70%. Live Pinpoint Doppler 12 radar. The showers and thunderstorms have moved out. We sort of bookended by them. We started off the weekend Saturday morning with them, and then we had some yesterday evening. Now as we scan along the coastline through New Bedford and Newport, not only is it dry, there's no fog, and a lot of sunshine to start the morning. 54 right now in Taunton, 57 degrees in Newport, 55 in Westerly, and about 56 degrees right now in Willimantic, 57 in Providence. So the bus this morning will be working our way through the 50s and into the 60s, clear and comfortable. This afternoon's mostly sunny too, pleasant and still breezy, with a mixture of sunshine and a few clouds. And check out those high temperatures for the trip home from the school, 74 to 78. So it's a cold front that came through yesterday. You can see still those showers and thunderstorms rolling through the waters to our east. That's right along the front. Behind it on a northwest wind, things have really dried out, and the temperatures have even dropped a little bit. So instead of the 80s where we were this weekend, we'll top out today in the 70s. You can see where some of that cooler air is now over the northern and eastern half of the country. About 77 for a high in Central Falls today, 78 on the east side, downtown in the upper 70s, Rumford at about 77. Northwest winds will be at about 10 to 15 miles per hour, so breezy but not as brisk as yesterday. 77 Warwick, 78 at TF Green. Along the south coast, look for highs similar. We're going to have a land breeze today, so even Newport, Charlestown, and Westerly should be able to climb up into the low to mid 70s, while northern suburbs will find mid and upper 70s. A beauty. Low humidity, partly sunny skies, and it looks mainly sunny in southeastern Massachusetts, about 74 in Chatham with a breezy afternoon. 74 New Bedford and about 75 in Fall River. If you're planning on heading to the beaches today, it should be a comfortable day at the shore. Just watching the waters. A moderate risk of rip currents today. Air temperature at about 71. Water temperatures now 61. On the bay, actually no fog this morning. Visibility is unrestricted. Winds out of the northwest at 10 to 15 knots and waves at 1 to 2 feet. Cool, clear for the overnight hours tonight. Check out those temperatures. Even chillier than what we're walking out to this morning at about 50 to 55. And in fact, we do have some very nice sleeping weather this week with a stretch of nights in the 50s and high temperatures in the 70s. Today's one of the warmer days of the work week, 78 for a high, about 76 on Tuesday. Wednesday daytime still looks dry at 74, and then we'll be watching for our first chance of showers starting Wednesday night and lasting into Thursday, and there may be a rumble of thunder in there too. Thursday looks like a cooler day with mostly cloudy skies. We'll warm things back up as we head into next weekend. 77 on Friday with sunshine. Saturday looks nice at 79, and on Sunday most of the day is dry. We may just end it with a shower or thunderstorm as another cold front comes through, but it does look like the warmest day in the 7-day stretch at 82 for an